Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm John, and with me is Emma.
Hi, John. Hi, everyone. Today we have a special story for our beginners.
That's right, Emma. Our story is called A Day at the Park. We'll tell the story slowly and explain new words as we go.
Great. Let's begin our story.
It's a sunny Saturday morning. Tom wakes up early.
Let's pause here. Sunny means there's lots of sun. Saturday is a day of the week. Can you say these words with me? Sunny. Saturday.
Good explanation, Emma. Let's continue. Tom is happy because it's not a work day.
That's right. Workday means a day when people go to work. Usually Monday to Friday are work days.
Tom gets out of bed and looks out the window. He sees the sun and blue sky.
Blue sky means the sky is clear, with no clouds. It's a nice day.
Tom thinks it's a perfect day to go to the park.
The park is a place with grass, trees, and sometimes playgrounds where people go to relax or play.
Tom eats breakfast quickly. He has toast with jam and a glass of orange juice.
Let's learn these food words. Toast is bread that is cooked until it's crispy. Jam is a sweet spread made from fruit. And orange juice is a drink made from oranges.
After breakfast, Tom puts on his shoes and takes his ball.
Ball is a round object that people throw or kick when they play games.
Tom walks to the park. It's not far from his house.
Not far means it's close or nearby.
At the park, Tom sees many people. There are children playing, adults reading books, and dogs running.
Let's practice these verbs. Playing, reading, running. Can you use these words in a sentence?
Good idea, Emma. Here's an example. The children are playing with a ball.
Excellent. Now, back to our story. Tom finds a nice spot under a big tree.
He sits down and watches the people in the park.
Sits down means he puts himself in a sitting position. The opposite is stands up.
After a while, Tom sees his friend Sarah.
After a while means some time has passed. It's a useful phrase to show time moving in a story.
Sarah is walking her dog. The dog is small and white.
Let's learn some adjectives. Small is the opposite of big. White is a color, like snow.
Sarah sees Tom and waves. She walks over to him.
Waves means she moves her hands side to side as a greeting. Can you show me how to wave?
Good explanation, Emma. Sarah says, "Hi, Tom. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
This is a common way to start a conversation about the weather. Isn't it? At the end is asking for agreement.
Tom replies, "Yes, it is. Do you want to play with my ball?"
Tom is inviting Sarah to play. This is a friendly thing to do.
Sarah says, "Sure, but can my dog play too?"
Sure is a casual way to say yes. Sarah is asking permission for her dog to join.
Tom says, "Of course. What's your dog's name?"
Of course is another way to say yes, usually when something is obviously okay.
Sarah answers, "His name is Buddy. He loves to chase balls."
Chase means to run after something. Many dogs like to chase balls.
Tom, Sarah, and Buddy play with the ball for a long time. They throw the ball, and Buddy runs to catch it.
This is a common game to play with dogs. Let's practice these verbs. Throw, run, catch.
After playing, they feel tired and thirsty.
Tired means they need rest. Thirsty means they need to drink water.
Tom says, "There's a water fountain near the playground. Let's get a drink."
A water fountain is a place where you can drink water in public places like parks.
They walk to the water fountain and drink some cool water.
Cool here means the water is a little cold, which feels nice on a warm day.
Sarah looks at her watch and says, "Oh, it's almost lunchtime. I should go home."
Lunchtime is the time of day when people usually eat lunch, often around 12 noon.
Tom says, "Me too. This was fun. We should come to the park again soon."
Tom is suggesting they meet again. This is a friendly way to end a nice time together.
Sarah agrees. "Yes, let's do that. Goodbye, Tom."
Goodbye is what we say when we leave someone. There are other ways to say this too, like bye or see you later.
Tom waves goodbye to Sarah and Buddy. He picks up his ball and walks home.
And that's the end of our story, A Day at the Park.
Great job, Emma. Let's review some of the key words and phrases we learned. Sunny, park, ball, play, friend, dog, water fountain, goodbye.
Excellent summary, John. To our listeners, try using these words in your own sentences. Practice makes perfect.
That's right, Emma. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Absolutely. And don't forget to listen to this episode again. Repetition helps you remember new words and phrases.
Thank you all for listening to our A1A2 English story. We hope you enjoyed A Day at the Park.
Join us next time for another fun English learning adventure.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.